gonna have to rip the... Come on. Steve Weiner here from GetRubix.com. You know who I am. And last time we talked, first of all, thanks for everyone for the feedback on the Windows Autopilot branding solution video I did. That was awesome. It seems like everyone's digging it, and I didn't think it'd get that many views. Just super happy that it was helpful to people. What I want to follow up on is I showed you the NUC devices I was setting up last week. I got one of them set up. So an interesting issue I had is they shipped with Windows 11 Pro, and they're doing great. They perform excellent. I plugged the device in. I set up like a keyboard here because I don't normally I don't normally have something ready for them. Plug the Ethernet in. Installed Windows Server. Boom, Windows Server installs, no internet. Okay, I'm looking at it. The Ethernet cable's still in. It had network when it was on Windows 11 Pro. Apparently, and it was Windows Server 2022. So I'm racking my brain. It's not, PowerShell get net adapter. We're not showing any NICs, any network stuff. Turns out, so some of the Intel NUC devices have this thing where the Windows Server won't recognize certain drivers, which is weird though, because I have an older NUC device that's running the same Windows Server, and that's fine. So I found a great write-up, and I love solutions. I love things that are like cool and ways to fix stuff and customize it. Someone had a solution on Reddit. I'll post the link below, where you can customize, like you got to get the drivers, customize the INFs. Here's the deal. The server, this is my main working area. I couldn't even remote into the thing. You normally see the Get Rubix monitor behind me with the on-air thing. That's what I had to work on. So I have the servers like, kind of on, a keyboard I'm looking up on. I couldn't take time to actually go through something. So on another subreddit, someone suggested using a USB Ethernet adapter. So what I did, I bought two of these bad boys. It's a TP-Link USB 3 to RJ45 gigabit Ethernet adapter. $12. So I figured, so for $24, let me give it a shot. Plugged it in, work with Windows Server. So I'm really happy about that. So I set up the one. I was going to set the second one up, but a few folks asked me what it's. So here we're gonna. It's probably a clean way to do this. I'm gonna have to rip the. Come on. Whoa, you got the side open. Okay. Very simple inside. Oh, I see. It could have slid out. This is okay. Little paperwork. You don't need that. That doesn't matter. As always, you're not in a rush to throw this out. Who cares? We're gonna toss that over there for now. You don't see it. I don't see it. What are you worrying about with the garbage? So this is cool, right? So it's got this like fold-in thing. And it's full USB. So it's USB 3. It's Ethernet. You've seen this before, and it just snaps in here, I guess. This would actually probably good to travel around with if your laptop needs that. I have two laptops I use. The HP workstation has Ethernet, has USB. I don't need anything. The MacBook doesn't have either one, so I couldn't use this anyway. So, but that's okay. Yeah, literally nothing. Plugged it into the device, plugged the Ethernet cable in, online, I'm remoting into it. It's literally a non-issue. So I'm going to put a link to this below because a lot of folks reached out and said they love the NUC devices. And again, as it comes with Windows 11 Pro, you're going to be fine, but I'm telling people to buy it as a server, and if you buy it as a server, you're going to have a problem. So check out the link. You could try to mess with the drivers. That fix probably works. It looked like a good article, but honestly, for $12, just that would have been a good 2-3 hours of my life. So that's it. Catch you next time.